ठीक है guys, let's start.
Okay. Good evening. My name is Nida and I'm here on behalf of GGSIP. Today we have a panel discussion on e-learning where we will be talking of e-learning if e-learning can replace classroom learning. We have with us Dr. Tanvi, who is a professor of communication from Columbia University. She has received several awards for research in the field of communication. Her recent book, Blackboard Matters, has been acknowledged widely by the readers. She has been attending various seminars lately where she questions the viability of online education. We have Nishita, who is the founder and CEO of U Academy, an e-learning platform that provides specialized classes for students. We also have Vaishnavi, a senior journalist at The Quint. She hosts the famous show DG Learn, where she highlights the problems faced by students in their daily lives. Last but not the least, I would like to hand over to Aparimit, who is the VC of her college, to address the crowd and speak on behalf of GGS IPU. Aparimit.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm honored to be representing our esteemed organization, which has had a rich history of debates and discussions. I thank our panelists here who are going to enlighten us with their expert insights. As someone who is associated with teaching and education, I'm looking forward keenly for today's discussion. Thank you, Aulia.
Thank you, Aparimit. Now Vaishnavi will take over from here. Also, the audience can keep posting their questions in the chat box.
Good evening, everyone. It is my pleasure to be a moderator for the session on online education. As we all know, COVID 19 has caused school all across the world to close. Over 1.2 billion students are out of school worldwide. As a result, education has undergone significant transformation with the rise of e learning. So, my question to you, Nishita, is what are your thoughts on online education? Do you believe it is beneficial to students, or has it acted as a disadvantage?
I think online education has been great, especially during the pandemic when students cannot come to class and there is no physical contact between the students and teachers. I think e-learning has provided us with a platform which is a great medium for students and teachers to get together and impart learning, irrespective of the geographical distance. Let's say, for example, there's a student in some village, in some northern village, in a small town, who has been dreaming of going to an IIT classroom. Now he can just log in and join the classroom. Geographical boundaries are no longer an issue through digital learning. I think it's a great medium.
Thank you, Nishita. That was very insightful. Tanvi, do you agree with Nishita? Do you think it has acted as an advantage?
Thank you for that question. I think I agree with Nishita on a lot of points, but I also think because of the pandemic, we were forced to switch to online learning, which I think has acted as a great substitute for traditional learning. But at the same time, I believe that for an overall development and proper education, a student needs to have a holistic environment for learning. So I think classroom and traditional learning really helps with that. So I do believe that online education is a great substitute, but I still think traditional learning has a lot more to offer. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Tanvi. My question to you is now online learning requires students to get online in the first place, which isn't possible for many families due to internet access. Please share your thoughts on this matter.
Right. So I think internet, of course, has provided accessibility to areas which do not have access to colleges, to infrastructure such as schools. But at the same time, due to a lot of network connectivity issues, in a lot of places, it really hinders a child's learning, and it is a hindrance to education. And I think, I mean, it can
internet has helped accessibility, but it has also provided a huge lot of problems. And I think traditional learning is, in that term, very much more effective. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Tanvi. Nishita, my question to you is, we know many students don't turn their cameras on and it is difficult to teach blank screens. We also know students are anxious about their participation, how their participation will be graded. So how can we increase participation of students in online classes?
Right. So nowadays, all of these apps like Zoom, Google Meet, they have inbuilt features for classrooms, specifically for classrooms. So you have whiteboards, you can conduct quizzes, you can conduct tests. So I think that is a great way to involve students and conduct, quick surveys of how many students are actually learning in class. And another great opportunity that e-learning provides is uh, learning at their own pace. If somebody does not get something, they can simply record the class and they can later come back to it, or during exam season they can just record it, come back to it for review. I think that's the beauty of it.
Thank you so much, Nishita. My last question is to you, Tanvi. Do you think online learning will replace traditional learning?
So I think online learning can supplement traditional learning. It cannot completely replace traditional learning, because I believe a lot of things that in traditional learning there is a lot of opportunities for a student to grow in an overall manner, in a whole manner, and I believe that is very important. But at the same time, because of the growth in technology, there are a lot of ways in online learning as well that are pretty great. So I think both can go together hand in hand to provide the best education one can get. Thank you.
Thank you, Tanvi. Nishita, do you agree with Tanvi? What's your thoughts on this matter?
I think e-learning is the future. I think e-learning will take over traditional learning, if you ask me. That is because now that we've seen that we can connect like through digital medium, and we can being physically present in a classroom is no longer a mandate for learning, and there's nothing stopping you, there's nothing less that digital learning will provide you than a traditional classroom. I think traditional learning is totally going to take over, sorry, digital learning is totally going to take over traditional learning.
Thank you so much, guys, for such an informative talk. Now I would like to hand over to Nida for the Q&A session.
Thank you, Vaishnavi. So the audience can post questions in the chat box, and there are none. So thank you, everyone. This was a small initiative for an informative discussion. I hope the audience have few takeaways from this discussion. And so thank you everyone.
हेलो, मैं मीटिंग में हूँ, मैं 2 मिनट में कॉल कर, रुको रुको रुको।